Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the easiest method of making roasted gram laddu, or we say in Kannada Putani or hurigadale laddu. It takes hardly 15 minutes to prepare and it requires very minimum ingredients, but it's very tasty and it tastes just like a besan laddu. This is a mouth-watering, tasty, delicious laddu. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. To make this laddu, we need roasted gram dal, 1 cup, half cup sugar, 1/4 cup ghee or clarified butter, and few kishmish or dry grapes. This is optional. Next we need 3 cardamom. First we have to make roasted gram flour. For that we need a mixer jar. In that add 1 cup roasted gram dal and make a fine powder and keep it in a bowl. Next, in the same mixer jar we will add half cup of sugar and 3 cardamom and make a fine powder and keep it in a other bowl. Next, take a mixing bowl. Into that we will add 1/4 cup of ghee and whisk the ghee until it turns into creamy texture. Continuously whisk it and it turns into whitish color. So it will take hardly 5 to 6 minutes to make this process. As you can see here, the ghee is turned into whitish and it became creamy texture, and this is the perfect consistency. Now into this I am going to add half cup of powdered sugar and mix it well with the ghee till it will become soft. The ghee and sugar mixed well and it has become very soft. Now initially we will add 1 cup of fried gram flour to it and mix it well till it is soft. When this mixture turns into soft, we will start to make laddus. Press it tightly and give a shape of a laddu. And that's it. The delicious, easiest and tastiest gram flour laddus are ready to eat. Must try this recipe and definitely you are going to make it again and again. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family, and thank you for watching.